Welcome back everyone. I included this product link in the description for most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. Razer Huntsman Mini 60%. Razer Huntsman Mini 60% has been on top of the chart in making gaming peripherals. Their products are, as they say, for gamers by a gamer. They specifically engineer products for gamers to improve their gaming experience. Razer's previous models were too noisy even though they had a tactile feel. Now Razer has added two sets of silicon strips on each side of a switch inside their Razer Huntsman Mini 60%. That has successfully made a significant improvement and made it sound appealing. The keyboard has macros and RGB patterns that you can use to customize your keyboard experience, but the software used to create these macros and RGB patterns is associated with the computer you are using. If you take your keyboard somewhere else, then the data too is lost unless you import your new PC's configuration. It is a bit difficult to understand the working of the keyboard, but you get used to it. As time passes by, they are using a lubricant on the spring to improve its life. Razer products are known for their long-lasting performance. The cutting-edge Razer optical switches ensure that the key is registered as early as possible. The actuation happens at a 30% shorter distance than the other one. 5mm switches. The feedback is excellent, and with the new and improved sound, the overall package is worth the price. The keyboard is made with aluminum, and the keycap material is PBT. I included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, so you don't miss out on my future videos.